So yet another nice square body has made its way in. Hopefully this video will help solidify this truck a little bit, but the details that the video won't show you are, this is a locally owned out of Hopewell, Virginia, brand new. Haley Pontiac GMC sold this truck, and we have the original bill of sale, original documents, even the owner's manual still in the original folder. Unlike most of our square bodies, this one is not all lifted up and modified, but that's okay. Some faded paint, but riding on Michelin tires, factory size, still has auto lock 4x4. This truck being an 87, last year of this body style, unless it was a 3/4 or 1 ton, but also first year for fuel injection. So the most desirable small block with fuel injection. And the AC actually still works. Gauges all work. Factory radio, factory floor shift 4x4. Somebody has redone the dash. It's got some old grandpa steps in the back, which probably look pretty cool with the truck. Tires are basically brand new. I'm sure they got a little bit of age to them though, but in great shape. But look at the undercarriage of this truck. We have not sprayed anything to hide or cover up any rust. Still even has the original inner fender well liners. Great running driving truck. 138,000 documented title miles. Jack still under the hood, factory air filter. Everything that you want to see is completely in place. Very impressive truck. Tempted to modify it, of course, but we're going to leave this truck completely stock, just as you see it. We'd love to splash some paint on it or do whatever, but the next owner can take this truck to the next level any way they want to. They can enjoy it as a nice stock riding truck, which is what it is, or go crazy with it if you'd like. Everybody knows what these square bodies are bringing. If this truck had fresh paint in this condition, we'd probably talk 30,000. If this truck had this kind of condition, fresh paint, and a lift kit wheels and tires, you'd catch yourself up into the high 30s, low 40s pretty easily. Crazy money, of course, for a truck that sold for $15,000 brand new. Selling for $15,000 again now. But you can't put a price tag on a truck like this. And the best we can tell, original paint. Not in the best of shape, but definitely is not hiding any rust bubbles, or anything to that effect. Spare tire still under the back. Still got the GM sticker from the factory on the back window, and again a whole stack of original paperwork. One cool square body classic truck in original form. Don't miss this one if this is your kind of vehicle.